What's up, Facebook? Show you guys what we got going on today. We're finishing up the roof from the other day. We had some crazy weather the last few days. What I'll do is I'll show you now the side we did the other day. So this is a small commercial building in Union Township. And camera might be a little shaky because my hands are freezing out here. But let me show you the castle gray color we did on the other side, which it's not only is it one of our favorites, but it seems like it's everyone's favorite because we do so much of it. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you guys the castle gray color. I don't know if the lighting's good enough to see, but the castle gray IKO Dynasty dimensional shingle, the lifetime warranty, 20 years non-prorated. And as you can see, the shingles still seal up really well as long as you install the right way. Put a little bit longer nails in here, just because the previous roof was only 10 years old and the nails were barely penetrating the wood. The shingles were coming off, the roof was leaking in multiple areas. So now let's go around and show you guys what we have going on the other side. So the other side is a little bit bigger of an area, and we're gonna get done today. We did the other side in a day. Now this side I'm walking to is about 4,000 square feet. Most companies, most guys are going to get probably 2,000, 2,200 square feet done in a day, max. We're about to bang out 4,000 square feet in 28 degrees. And let me show you guys, we have an army up here right now, right? So this roof is crazy too. So we have shingles, right? Then underneath that we have a flat roof membrane on a pitched roof, so it's weird. And then under that we have some type of particle board that was like an insulation board. And that's all on top of the regular roof decking. So as you can see, we got two dumpsters out here, trying to be as efficient as possible. And shingles are actually coming off pretty easy because the nails, with everything they had in there, the nails were just too short. So this is pretty much demolition day. So, and we're a little bit of sunlight. You see, the snow is all gone for the most part. And looks can be deceiving because with the sun out, you would think it's a nice day, but it's freezing. Yeah, a lot of them are just ripping by hand. It's crazy. So this is the start of a crazy day with limited sunlight. So we have until probably 4:30, 4:45, maybe 5 o'clock to get all this done. And look at this. It's crazy. Now this part isn't too bad, right? When we're ripping and staying warm, but the problem is the downtime. Once we take lunch, and then we've already been sweating for a couple hours, that's the worst part, and then getting back out there. But This is this is 4,000 square feet getting done in a day in Union Township, small commercial. And hopefully we'll be able to see the color before it gets dark. I know it's going to be close, but any roofing needs, residential, commercial, steep roof shingles, you can call us. And I gotta get out of here for now because I gotta put my hands in my pockets. I'm freezing. But GrapevinePro.com, 732-335-7770 is the phone number. Any of your roofing needs, even if it's just an inspection, you're not sure if your roof can make it through the winter, how much longer your roof has, call us, come out, take a look at everything, inspect it from the inside out, and give you our best recommendation. Even if not now, whenever the time comes, we'll throw you a number. We're big on giving you a price, not just an estimate. The price, we'll give it to you down to the penny. We'll let you know exactly what it's going to cost you. No real hidden costs unless something crazy happens when we rip the roof off. But that's pretty much it. Let me check out for now, and then I'll check back in with you guys around lunchtime and let you know where we're at. Take it easy.